Hello students, how are you today? I hope that you are well. So, with you your English teacher Ибраимова Қаламқас қызы. At first, let's watch the video and predict the theme of our lesson. The video is about. How do you think?
I think our new theme is about marriage.
You are right, Kumsai. Today we are going to talk about marriage. The theme of our lesson is marriage. Today we are going to talk about difference between arranged marriage and love marriage. Learning objectives. Respect differing points of view. Understand more specific information in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics. And now please open your student's book at page 70, exercise number 1. Look at the title and the photo. Read the text quickly, summarize each paragraph in 1 or 2 sentences. Our next task is exercise number 2. Read and listen to the text, write true or false, correct the false sentences.
Track 2.22. Learning to love.
How would you feel if your parents chose your partner? In some cultures, parents choose a future husband or wife for their children and then organize a wedding. The reasons for these arranged marriages are complicated, but they're usually connected with status, traditions, and money. This affects some young people in Britain, but they don't all agree with the practice.
I want to wait until the time is right.
There's a girl I like. I've known her since August, when we met on holiday. I'm not thinking of telling my parents yet, because it's nothing serious, but I'm not sure that they will understand if I bring a girlfriend home. I think that may be a problem in the future. My parents come from a country where families choose a partner for their sons and daughters. They introduced me to a girl from a good family recently. I hadn't met...
All relationships require commitment.
I used to think that love marriages were better than arranged marriages, but I've changed my mind recently. I've met people who are happy in arranged marriages. Maybe they weren't in...
Today we also have grammatical topic. For and since, usage of present perfect tense and differences between using of for or and since. We use present perfect tense to talk about action which started in the past and continues up to the present. We use for with a period of time, for example, a few days, half an hour, 2 years. We use since with the time when the action started. For example, last year, 8th of June, I met you. I haven't seen Julia since September. Open your student's book at page 71, exercise number 1. What we should do here? Let's read the task. Complete the sentences from the text, then complete the rules with for or since. Let's do this task together. I've known her August. What we should put here, for or since? Let's think. Yes, since. I've known her since August. They've been with their partners. Yes. What we should put here? Let's think. Yes, for. They've been with their partners for years. Let's do rules. We use with the present perfect when we talk about the duration of a state or action. What we should put here? Yes, for. We use for with the present perfect when we talk about the duration of a state or action. Next, we use with the present perfect when we talk about the point when a state or action begins. Yes, of course, we put here since. We use since with the present perfect when we talk about the point when a state or action begins. Exercise number 3 at page 71. Let's read the task. Complete the text with for or since. Add the same expressions to the table in exercise 2. Let's do the first sentence together. Cultural problems. I've known Imran 6 months. What we should put here? For or since? Let's think. Yes, for. I've known Imran for 6 months. I give you 5 minutes to do this task. Let's check. We being good friends? Yes, since last summer. We haven't had many arguments since we met, but we argued last week. He is being strange with all his friends for a while now. His parents have lived here for a long time, but they think Imran should have a wife from their culture. He hasn't spoken to me since we fell out. Your homework is exercise 3 at page 70. Complete each sentence with a preposition, then check your answers in the text. According to our today's topic, you should complete this chart. I have already sent you individually this chart on your WhatsApp. Please complete the chart and send me back. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.